The 48-inch Grantway is a modern-style ceiling fan with reversible blades and a flush mount design. The fan is damp rated for indoor or covered outdoor use and is pull chain operated. The 48-inch blade span is best suited for small spaces that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and low ceilings. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. At the outlet box, remove the 2 screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the outlet box and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screw securely. Remove all nuts and washers from the mounting plate. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the mounting plate and use the hole to hang it from the hook. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, fan motor, and mounting plate together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the fan with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the fan with the hot wire from the outlet box. If you have any additional wires from your outlet box that will not be used for the installation, cap them off with a wire nut. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Lift the fan motor and slide the keyholes over the mounting plate studs. Insert the removed nuts and washers. Tighten all nuts and washers securely, being sure to push the motor up towards the ceiling until tightly secured. Ensure all electrical connections are above the motor bracket and will not touch the top of the motor. Bring the motor housing up to the fan motor. Locate the slots on the motor housing. Locate the studs on the mounting plate. Press and turn clockwise over the studs until snug. The ceiling mounting is complete and the fan blades can now be installed. Prepare a fan blade and a blade arm. Pick a side of the reversible blade to face downward and align the blade arm with the holes underneath. Insert and tighten 3 blade attachment screws, starting with the center screw. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Bring a blade assembly up to the fan and align the screws with the holes underneath the motor. Tighten both pre-assembled blade arm screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the switch housing. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the screws and loosen the remaining screws. On the mounting plate, remove all 4 switch housing mounting screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the fan and align and twist the keyholes over the loose screws. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Bring the switch housing up to the fan and connect the 9-pin wire connectors. Align the holes on the switch housing with the holes on the mounting plate, then insert and tighten the removed screw securely. Clip on the pull chain and fob. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The fan speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. With the fan turned off, the reverse switch changes the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.